This is my chair now. You like it? Yeah.
I'm glad they're happy this morning. All right, we're going to Bryce Canyon. We're gonna have...
Remember the view? Was it that one?
It's kind of like that, yep. But it's a whole canyon of that. You guys had fun this trip so far?
Yeah.
So we caught a fish last night. Put it in the freezer. You're so funny. Okay, so we're gonna go to Bryce Canyon here in a little bit. We got the car mostly packed. Not as nice as it was the first time, but the whole crew's going. So we got mom and dad, my sister's family, and then we've got my aunt and uncle and their kids. We have a cow that wants to say hi. I can't even believe this. It's $35 to drive a car through there. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
That's a box of diapers.
Oh, but look, mine is just all mixed up.
Yeah. What'd we get, girls? Did we get some maps?
Yeah, and I got some flower maps. Look, flowers are on them.
Ooh, cool.
Those are the flowers you would find.
Probably the most expensive maps we've ever paid for. Huh. We were at Bryce Canyon, driving through. Is that pretty cool? Should we come over here and look off here? That's pretty, huh? We were at the first location we went to and had to do a potty break. So we went to the visitor center. What'd you guys get?
We got keychain, but a book.
Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? Now we're headed back. Hopefully we'll catch up with everybody. We got turned around a few times, but we are, I think, headed in the right direction. So, headed back to the group, and then we're going to see if we can catch up to them. If not, we'll just wait in the parking lot. So, hopefully we'll get a couple views for you guys of Bryce Canyon.
This the last one?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
I thought there was 3 more.
No.
Oh, no.
This is the last one.
Hayden, supposed to be on this side fence, but...
Ooh. Just waiting on the kiddos.
I'll show you some things that we find away. Dad said no wallets. Don't leave anything in your car because sometimes people break into your cars and steal stuff.
Oh, yeah?
So don't leave anything in your car.
Okay. What's that smile on that face? You having fun?
You're going backwards.
I am going backwards.
I walk backwards. Look, I can walk backwards.
Oh, you are walking backwards. Come over here. It does all look the same.
It looks the same.
What?
But this is like a dream come true.
It is like a dream come true, huh? Millie, is that pretty cool?
Yeah, that's so cool. Utah is...
What?
Fishing. I got it when we were going. I'm looking back. Daddy's looking back.
Oh.
I'm going to step on your shadow. Step on Adam. Step on Adam.
Is that funny?
Yeah. That looks like I can walk when I spin.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You are so skilled. All right, we made it.
Can I get down?
Yeah, you can get down.
Don't you like that?
So, this is where we're at. Inspiration Point.
This one.
So we're leaving Bryce Canyon. What'd you guys think? Did you guys like it?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Seeing the squirrel.
Seeing the chipmunk?
Yeah. Like it was funny. I would see it everywhere. I'm like, oh, there it is. And then we'd go to a different spot.
Yeah.
And then I found it again.
All right, so made it back from Bryce Canyon, and now we're just eating dinner. Or excuse me, now we're just eating lunch. And I've got myself a chicken salad sandwich, which is amazing. I'm just sitting out here on my dad's truck eating because, not gonna lie, as a single parent, I could just use a little bit of a break this trip. Kids have been great, but it's just a lot of work on your own. So anyway, packed up the car, actually stored everything we needed. Even with the giant fridge right here, still have plenty of room. Although I have learned to kind of consolidate what I bring, because normally I bring way too much. But anyway, I'm just gonna eat my sandwich, have a little break, and then we're gonna hit the road and head home. Everyone's just kind of eating lunch and getting ready to go. And probably about 15-20 minutes will be gone. All right, we are all packed up. We've got our snacks ready. We've got the kiddos ready. You guys ready to go?
I don't know. Pop it.
That pine cone's gonna pop it. Okay. We've got the trailers all ready to go. All right, just gonna make sure everyone's ready. Got a cow crossing the road.